Alright world, got a dryer that's not heating. Everything in the back, fuses, thermostats, element and everything test good. It's got 240 volts to it. It's going to be a connection issue inside of this timer, and I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. These are pretty basic. You'll find these timers like this in a lot of different basic dryers. It's just got 2 Phillips screws that hold it together right here. Motor comes out. We're not going to mess with that today. We're going to flip it over, pull this off. Our issue is going to be these 2 contacts right here. That is burned up and melted right there. I do not have continuity between this post and this post, and I should. That's where the electricity travels through the timer to go to the element. What I'm going to do is I'm going to break this apart with my screwdriver, clean it up with some sandpaper, and I'm going to bend this guy here on the outside. I'm going to bend it over just a little bit so that it makes more contact, and I'll fix that. And I can show you guys here real quick on my meter here. I'll do a continuity check. I already checked it, so I know this it's not any good. I don't know if you can hear my beep, but there, we got nothing. So, like I said, I'm not gonna show you guys all of it, but I'm gonna get in there with my screwdriver and pop that apart. Hope you can see that. Like I said, I'm gonna bend this guy right here. I'm gonna bend it over just a little bit. Clean it up with some sandpaper, and we'll be back to work just fine. And I'll save you over $100.